In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you go paperless with Wells Fargo credit card statements. Let's get started. Launch your Wells Fargo app. Make sure you have logged in. Now navigate to the Statements and Documents section. Here you will see the option to manage your statement delivery preferences. Select Go Paperless or Paperless Statements. Then review the electronic delivery agreement if prompted. Confirm the email address where you would like to receive notifications when a new statement is available and accept the terms and conditions. After that, save your changes to complete the enrollment. From your next eligible billing cycle, you will receive an email notification whenever your new credit card statement is ready to view online instead of receiving a paper statement in the mail. Once you're enrolled, you can access your electronic statements anytime by signing into your Wells Fargo account and opening the Statements and Documents section. So that's it. This way you can easily go paperless with Wells Fargo credit card statements. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.